Hello, we're at MAXST. We will introduce Visual Slam tool and map viewer that improves usability and convenience for AI developers. Developer wants to augment virtual 3D content on the toy blocks. Visual Slam tool will help him. First, let's start with the Visual Slam tool. Create a 3D map with octagonal bounding box and pin. Step 1. Object recognition. Tap Start button to initiate. The octagonal bounding box will appear. Step 2. Adjusting size and position. Click the size or position button and drag the axis vertex to adjust. Step 3. Mapping. Map the object 360 degrees. When training is successful, it turns yellow. Step 4. Pin. Save the map. Here, use pin to indicate a specific location where you want to augment content. You will see the pin with keyframe in Unity. Save and email. How's map viewer helpful? Import the 3D map file into Unity. Then the trained map with pins will appear. Here's the map viewer menu. Show mesh and transparent function are in map viewer. It shows where the vulture content should be placed. Show mesh transforms 2D keyframes to 3D mesh map. Pins indicate the accurate position. 3D mesh map will turn to transparent to visualize 3D content from different angles. This is all you have to do. Let's check how it looks like. How impressive, right?